So guys, just to let you know, we've just purchased our home together, and it's a beautiful house, 3-bedroom, excited about it. That's why I'm talking like this, because I've been jumping up and down due to excitement, because I'm super happy. And let me do my hair. Hang on, my hair came out because I was jumping up and down. So anyway, let's get serious, okay? It's just to let you know, this is a lovely house, 3-bedroom. The boys are gonna love it. We are gonna love it. This bedroom is massive, massive. It comes from the start of the house to the end. And on top of that, we've got a garden. So the boys are gonna love that because they've been used to only playing on the balcony. This has been long coming. Sorry, I'm talking this way because I've run up the stairs. I'm not used to stairs. So it feels like exercise to me. But guys, I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. I can talk for England because I'm super excited. And my husband is going downstairs. So now we're going to think about filling up this house, doing interior designing, decor, you name it, everything. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel, guys. Rita and her lads, we really appreciate your love. We really appreciate you coming on our channel, showing us the love, guys. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. Thank you. I'll give my husband the honors to let us in. Here we are, and we're gonna start with the downstairs toilet right at the entrance, but I don't mind that. We've really done. Still got the ribbon on there. Look at that, beautiful. And this is the kitchen. It's got the living room behind it. After that, you go upstairs. I'll take my lovely shoes off first because I don't want to mess it all up. So this is upstairs. The carpet is really nice, if you can see, very nice and soft. This house is a 3-bedroom house, and this is the first bedroom, decent size. As you can see, it looks over the garden, and that's the garden. Yep, that's the garden right there. And then I'll go ahead to the next one. Before I go in there, I'll take you to the bathroom. This is the bathroom. Still got the lovely seal there. How will you know that it's new? There we are. Got the towel rail, which it's got a timer on it as well. Perfect. Then this is the second bedroom. It's quite big as well. It's still a double bedroom. The size is okay. It's hang on, I'm trying to adjust that for you. Yeah, the size is okay, can't complain. But and there we are. We're gonna have to put a bed over there or something. And then you go upstairs. It's got 3 floors. Got 3 floors. And here is the lovely master bedroom. The master bedroom is quite huge. Huge, if you like. Well, here in the UK it will be huge because it's really big. So this is the one side of the bedroom. We've got the sliding doors. That's me in there. Give you a dance. That's me. I'm excited. I'm excited. Some of that. Some of that. Some of that. Try. Anyway. That's a bit of dancing. That's the wardrobe. It's quite long as well, not bad. The size is perfect. Let me check out myself. Cut my hair. See if I look good. You can't really see me. And then that's the other side of the bedroom. Right, got the radiator there. It's got a little storage here. Turn the light on. That's a little storage room. Quite small. And then it's got, let's turn the light on, it's quite dark. We've got other bathroom, ensuite if you like. Ensuite. And the toilet, it's got the seal! It's the seal for me, guys, it's the seal. And then we've got a walk-in wardrobe as well. It's supposed to be a walk-in wardrobe, so look. It's quite spacious. It's quite a little corridor. Goes all the way to the end and back. There's nothing in there, so you can't really see anything. And then that's that. That's the house. Got the outside there. We've got a kids park over there in a distance. Can you see it? Brought it forward. The boys are gonna love that. You see that kids are there playing. You can hardly see them, but yeah, this is it.